Hey guys, what is up, and welcome to a brand new Clash of Clans video. And today guys, I am going to show you how to make a successful clan in Clash of Clans. So I haven't really been in a clan in a while, and I decided that I'm probably going to make my own clan and see how it does and probably keep it going for a long time. So I've been thinking about everything that makes a good clan, everything that doesn't make a good clan, because I have experience with making some clans in the past. Haven't really done it for that long, so I'm hoping to keep this a long-term clan this time. But anyway, I'm going to go over those things that I've learned with you guys, and hopefully you can use them to make your own successful clan. So I have 10 tips for you guys to make the best clan possible in Clash of Clans. So let's go to this clan castle, hit the clan button, and create our own clan. So the first thing you need for a successful clan in Clash of Clans is a unique name, and the reason you need this is because if you have friends or just random people who are searching up your clan name, you don't want to have them searching through a ton of clans just to find the one that yours is without using a clan tag or anything, because that's really confusing with the random string of letters. So you want to have a name that's unique, and not many other people have it. So I'm probably going to name my clan Afterburn, because if you see here, there's only a couple clans that have that name before it starts getting into other random names that are related to it, but not the exact same. So I'm going to name my clan Afterburn because there isn't going to be any extra pages or anything for this names. There's only about 10 or so that still have the same name. And also, you want a unique name for your clan, because if people are in global and they're looking for clans to join, sometimes the actual name of the clan itself will influence where they're going to, because they don't want just a weird random name for the name of their clan. They want something that maybe sounds cool or looks cool in the clan castle, something like that. So I'm going to name this clan Afterburn. And by the way guys, if you do want to join this clan, feel free to. I'm probably going to be accepting most people as long as you're not like a noob level 3 town hall 1 or whatever. So if you want to join, feel free to. I don't really care. And then next, you want to make sure you have a badge. Honestly, it doesn't really matter what badge you have. If you want it to relate to your name, then that's fine. If you just want it to be completely random, it doesn't really influence anything at all. So just pick a random badge. I'm going to use that light purple background and save that. So once you have your name and your badge, the second thing you need for a good clan is a good description that outlines all the requirements of the clan, so that when people are coming and looking to join your clan, they need to know what the rules of the clan are, so that when they join, they know how to be a good member basically, and also need to know the requirements to join the clan itself. And especially when you're new and just starting out, it's good to have these requirements, so that way you can build your clan off some strict requirements. So just create a good description and then you're good to go. So there is the description for our clan, and by the way, if you are a YouTuber, don't forget to add that shameless plug at the end of your clan description. So anyway, once you are done with that description, step 3 is to be strict with your requirements. So if you say things like I have here, a 1 to 2 donation ratio every season, 3-star war attackers only, if members don't follow that, just kick them. You don't deal with them. Don't try to bend your rules at all, because if you start bending the rules, it's just going to get worse and worse, and you basically won't have the people that you're looking for in your clan. So if you want to really set up a long-term, really good clan, then just be strict with your requirements from the start, and if they don't follow them, then just kick them. And then number 4, you want to start off with an anyone can join clan, and minimum trophies, I'm probably going to put mine at around 1200. You don't have to do exactly that number, but somewhere around there is good as long as you're a high level player, because if you do invite only at the start, people are going to be discouraged from joining because they're going to have to wait for you to accept it, and then they'll be like, well, they might not even accept it, so I'm just going to go and join another clan that I can just immediately join no matter what my level is. And if they're at 1200 trophies, they're going to be at a somewhat decent level, like at least level 50 or so, and that's good enough for war. And then if they are not a good player at all, then you can just kick them later. It doesn't really matter. But then once you start getting a better clan, then you probably want to set it to invite only and 0, because there are some farmers down at like 800 trophies for some reason, but they still might be like really good war attackers and level 130 or something. So it doesn't really matter their trophy count once you're farther along in your clan, but the invite only allows you to inspect them before they join. So you want to start off with anyone can join about 1200 or so, and then go down to invite only 0. Number 5 for this clan video is to only put active people in wars, because if they're inactive and they're not in wars, they're not going to attack obviously, and you won't win when you're a new clan, and that's a big issue, because if you're a new clan and you're not winning wars, more people won't want to join your clan. You want to start off with a ton of wins in wars if you want to encourage more people to join your clan. So only put active people in wars no matter what. And that leads us to number 6, which is to start out small with your wars. Normally you should only do 10v10s when you're starting out for a long time. And you don't want to put people in war just because they're in your clan. If they're not like good war attackers, I mean, I'm only accepting people who probably will be really good war attackers and probably have a lot of war stars, which is kind of hypocritical since I have barely any war stars, even though I am a pretty good war attacker, I think. But yeah, so just don't put people in because they're in their clan. If they're not a good war attacker, don't put them in war. Don't feel obligated to put everyone in your clan in war because it will cause you to lose war in the long run. And like I said, that's going to discourage people from joining your clan. So number 7 is to never promote people to Elder or Co until they actually earn it. Because if, like I said with the previous rules, if you're not strict with your requirements and you just promote people to Elder or Co because they ask for it, because they're high level, then you're just basically bending your rules. You're not building your clan on any actual firm requirements, and then as you grow, it's just going to get worse and worse, and you're going to end up giving everyone Elder and Co. People are going to feel bad because they didn't get Elder or Co when some higher level player did. So even if they're really high level and they just join your clan, ask for Co or something, never give it to them, because especially those high level players who wouldn't normally join your clan at such a low level, they're normally gonna Co sweep your clan, kick everyone out. So don't do it. Never promote anyone to Elder or Co unless they're like your friends, and even then you should only have like 2 or 3 Co's in your clan when you're starting out. So number 8 on this list is to recruit in Norsk. So if you look at the English global here, you can see there's all these bronze players, silver players. There's a champions there. That's actually not too much, but you can see the chat is like, there's barely anyone talking in the chat. You can still see 14 minutes ago there. Not really many people are talking. So if you want to recruit for your new clan, you might actually want to start out in English, maybe get a few people to join. But if you really want to get a lot of people to join, if you started off a bit with your clan, always switch the language to Norse, because this changes your global to people who are also in the Norse language. But this basically has been dominated by only English-speaking people, so if you speak English, you can work with Norse. And once you're in this global, there's so many people who are at such a high level and such a high trophy count that you can get these high-level people in your clan and help recruit to make your clan even bigger. Like you can see, a ton of Crystal 3 people here, Masters 2, and there's always some Legends, Titans. There's a ton of good people in this Norse global chat, so always recruit in Norse. Get your Elders and Co's in your clan to recruit Norse, because you can get some pretty good people in your clan that way. And number 9, also involved with global, is to not spam it asking for people to join your clan, because people are just going to think you're really annoying and not even join at all. They're just going to mute you, ignore you. So what you want to do is you want to create maybe a shortcut or something, or just a copy and paste, so that way you can paste a well-formatted recruitment statement in the global, and maybe only post it every like 5 minutes or so. Don't constantly spam it, because no one's going to join your clan if you do that. But if you lay out the requirements, entice people to join in one short message, and post it in global, you can get some pretty good people to join your clan who are looking for a clan. And that brings us to number 10. This is for all you leaders out there who are making the clan. Make sure to stay active and involved with the clan, because if you create a clan, get all these members, and you don't talk to them, and no one's really in the chat, if no one's active and involved with the clan, then everyone's just gonna leave, because it's gonna get really boring. And this is the main purpose of Clash of Clans, is to have fun in a social environment. So if you're not maintaining that social environment, talking to people, having some conversations with your members, then your clan just going to die out. So you have to stay active and involved in your clan as the leader. And that is number 10, so that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and a comment down below if you did, and don't forget to subscribe, because we are getting closer to that 500 subscriber benchmark. But that is all for today, guys, so see you later.
Make the streams louder.